Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing a stock market portfolio update. And as you guys, if you're brand new here, then I do this pretty often, pretty consistently. Well, recently I have anyway. There was a time where I didn't really upload for a while, like maybe a year. And that's because like my stocks have had a very heavy hit. I still did update you guys, like the people that do follow me. Please leave in the comments and back me up there. I did show when it was really bad. So yeah, just a little heads up though before we do get into it. Yeah, my stocks are pretty bad. And when I say pretty bad, as in like they've been hit very heavily, but they got so much better recently. And I just wanted to do a video update because I've bought quite a lot recently. So let's get into it. So the first one we're going to get into is Alibaba, and this one is just really not gone to how I thought it would, to be honest. It's really been beaten down. I got in, I thought, at a very good price, which was $91, and it's still being beaten heavily. I was originally I was in it because I thought it was a very good price, and I still think I have got it at a good price. It just might take a lot longer than I thought for it to recover. So we're holding out on Alibaba. If anyone's got any comments about Alibaba or wants to let me know that maybe something I'm not aware of, please leave in the comments below because it'll be interesting to know. And yeah, Apple, 7 shares of this, the same as it's been for the last 3 years. I've not bought any more shares. It would be nice to get 10 shares of it, to be fair, just have a nice proper number, round number. But yeah, $173. A little backstory on this, because I don't think I've ever told you guys this. So my mum and dad, they're not really them sort of people that will invest in the stock market. They see it as risky, and I know a lot of you guys probably think, how is the stock market risky? Put it in the S&P 500, it's proven to go up 8-9% a year and all that. Well, I think my whole family really, actually this is something I've not spoken about, and if I'm going on a tangent, then I'm sorry, but I just want to say it, it's just come on the top of my head, and I want to know if any of you guys can relate to this. Well, my family, pretty much, none of them are interested or about stocks, about investing. Well, that's a lie. Investing in a way when it comes to property, they do, but it's just interesting. The stock market's just not a thing. I think they just see it as a very risky thing, which it is. It can be, especially with the type of stocks I'm in. It's risky, but I love it. I'm all about it. Kind of want to just go down a different route. And that's the whole point of the journey. That's why I documented it, because I'll just love to look back in 10 years time and see where I'm at, even in 20. All right, British Airspace. So up 7.7% on this. And yeah, it's done all right. It hasn't done well recently because it has done a lot of gains. It's done about 8% gains in the last, well, yeah, as you can see, we've nearly gone up 8%. And got into that about 2 months ago, maybe 2.5 months ago. Lucid, guys, this is bad. 225 shares of this, down 2,500. You've got to laugh, otherwise you'll cry. Yeah, no, it's not how it's played out. It's not how I wanted it to play out. I'm hoping delivery numbers have got better for the next earnings, but it's not looking good, guys. The technology they've got there is very good. It's just going to be very hard. It's going to be very, very hard for them to sell because they are very expensive cars in the first place, and they're a brand new company that people don't even have a clue about. And that is the problem. Neo stock, Bosch. I remember buying this thing and I got in at such a good price, $18, but it's down $8, down to $8. Down 52%. Palantir, bought a few more shares of this. Can't remember the last time how many shares I have. But I've got 564 shares now. We're down 18%. So it's getting better. That used to be down heavy amounts, but we're getting better. The average is getting better. We're on $21.32 average price. Want to buy more of this, I really do. But yeah, lovely stuff. Oh, also, it does sound like, don't want to get my hopes up, don't really want to jinx it, but I want to update you guys if you don't know about it, and I hope I've not jinxed it now, but they might be getting the NHS contract, which is like 600 million, which will be pretty insane. So fingers crossed for that. Rolls-Royce up 12.5%, lovely stuff. And yeah, not much to say. Tesla, I've been buying heavily into this, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably changed quite a bit since. I'm on now 22.2 shares. I'm so happy I'm over the 20 shares mark. I think the last video it wouldn't have been, but 2 videos ago, I think I only had 7 shares of this. So that's how much I've bought into Tesla. So it's brought down the average. I think my average used to be very good. My returns were like up 50%. Now it's 20%. It's because obviously I've bought at a higher price than what my average was before. But I think I've bought in at a really good price still. And I'm very, very happy. And yeah, this one obviously is going to be one to leave for the next 5-10 years. Virgin Galactic, down 93%, not much to say. And then Lake Resources, down 57%, got £80 in that. Including the cash, we've got a total of £27,090. So not too bad at all. It's definitely growing. This is pretty mental. So in total, we've got £27,170 in my portfolio. If you guys are brand new here, please hit that subscribe button because I do these pretty frequently and you can keep up to date on how my portfolio is doing. I'm very transparent, as you can tell, because I'm still down a fair bit. Also, give this video a thumbs up. It's much appreciated. It would be amazing if we could smash 50 likes. I've not done a like target in a while, so 50 likes, that would be amazing. And yeah, comment below if you've got any questions or anything, and I'll see you guys in the next one.